Charot. 6077. Okay, ano po name niyo, sir?
Adrian Nicasio po.
Adrian in the house. Sino bias mo, Adrian?
Sa Kusina po.
May pasama ka ba dyan ng sayaw? Wala? Ano ba yan? Hanggang bias na po siya. Pero of course, Sir Adrian, 5 kilometers po kayo?
5 km po.
Hey! Good luck, I love it. Taga saan po kayo?
Malapan Oriental Mindoro.
Ooh! Bongga! Ang layo. Malayo po yun. Mga ilang hours po? 6 hours? Okay. Good luck po. I love it. Thank you so much. Ate ko, mas malayo pa rin yung Italy. Sabi niya yun na, hindi ako. Thank you so much, Adrian!
Excited na ba kayo? Sino dito yung mga first timer sa Bini Run? Salamat po sa pagsama sa amin sa pag-start ng taon ng Bini Run. And this is part of our fitness training for Biniverse World Tour 2025 Philippines! Sino manonood sa Philippine Arena? Wow! Hoping kaming Bini na sana maging smooth ulit ang round natin just like last year. Dahil kilala namin ang Bini Round Blooms, very disciplined yan. So sana this year lang, diba? Smooth lang, yung maging flow. And good luck! Kabati ko lang po. Thank you, Boom, sa pag-isip ng maaga. Ang kitong tayong talaga. Tignan mo. Maraming salamat po. Mag-enjoy lang po tayo today. Huwag kayong mag-call. Yes, po, 5 p.m. lang kayo, 3 p.m. Sana matapos natin to, guys. I'm excited for everyone right now.
Okay. Again, Blooms, our nation's girl group, Bini! Okay. So, Blooms, since kasama natin ang Bini ngayon, syempre, ito na si Gina. Okay, syempre may pa-surprise tayo para sa mga January babies natin. So, guys, kantahan naman natin ang happy birthday si Master Joe and Aya! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Gising na ba lahat? Kung gising na kayo, give me an A! See you guys later. Enjoy the run and kita-kits mamaya. Yeah, enjoy! What's up, Batang Blooms? Let's get ready to run!
What's up, Blooms? Make sure to stay hydrated, okay?
What's going on, Blooms? How you guys doing tonight? Alright. Yeah, what's up, mga Blooms?
Ayan, thank you so much for waking up really early and joining us in this event. Let's get active and have fun later with Beanie.
Good morning, Blooms! Enjoy tayo and tapusin natin yung run. Stay healthy, guys.
Hey, good morning everyone. What's up, Blooms? Yeah, sana mag-enjoy po kayong lahat at yun, kita-kita na lang sa starting line.
Chikahan na lang sa starting.
Ano, love that. Thank you so much to our Kapamilya artists. But then of course, meron dalawa pa to join us here on stage. We have Nicole San Juan and Jed Madela. Hey! Hello, Miss Nicole and Jed Madela. Would you guys like to greet the Blooms?
What's up, Blooms? Excited na ba kayong lahat? Alright.
Hi, Blooms! Have fun, guys!
Okay, Blooms, palakpakan po natin ang mga ABS-CBN artists natin who are joining us for our Beanie Run Moon. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us and gracing our Blooms. Okay, quick photo op lang daw po with our official photographer for Beanie Run Moon. Okay, there you go. Once again, our ABS-CBN Kapamilya artists. Yarn. Yay! Okay, thank you so much po. Woo! Take care, guys. And like what Angie said, of course, stay hydrated, guys. Okay. Blooms, na-energize ba kayo? Okay, hi po. Ano po yung name niyo, sir?
Cedric po!
Cedric po! Okay, Cedric, ano pong name niyo, sir? Ay, sorry. Sino po ang bias niyo?
Malay! Las Piñas City.
Medyo malapit lang po. Las Piñas. Okay, great. Thank you so much to the Blooms. Okay, yan po yung